What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is going to be a quick little vlog, and it's going to all be about sleep, particularly how CBD affects my sleep. I've never tried this. I've never tried any CBD product. I've never tried THC. I've never tried any of that stuff. So I put out an email. So basically, let's just rewind a little bit here. I got the Oura Ring, and I've been tracking my sleep on a regular basis. This thing tracks pretty detailed. I also have a sleep tracking pad from Nokia that I've been using for the past several months, and I've been tracking it all on my phone. And the cool thing about the Oura Ring is it tells me what my sleep score is and what all the contributing factors are towards that. Most of which I think is total time sleeping, sleep efficiency, resting heart rate. It measures my REM sleep, my deep sleep. It tells me when throughout the night I'm waking up, when I'm in deep sleep, REM sleep, and light sleep. And I've noticed that I've spent most of my nights in light sleep. First of all, I'm not getting very much total sleep quantity. I typically go to bed around 10 or 11, and I wake up around 3 or 4, which is not really adequate time in bed. But honestly, that's just my reality right now. I probably need to work on that. I've had several people tell me I need to work on that. I agree. I need to work on that. But in the meantime, I really want to improve my sleep quality, even though my quantity is lacking. So I've been playing around with my temperature of the house while sleeping. I've been playing around with the pillow. I purchased a specialty pillow. I've been using the mouth taping. And I sent out an email newsletter and was asking about sleep packs. And the most commonly recommended thing was the CBD oil extract. Bar none, hands down, no questions asked. This is what everybody was talking about. So I did a little bit of research, not very much. Most of this is going to be just trial and error and see how it works. But I purchased this based off of a recommendation. This is Blueberry OG terpenes, 300 milligrams CBD infused oil, and it is from Green Roads is the company. And basically it says, shake well, place 1 ml under tongue for about 30 seconds before swallowing. I'm assuming I take this sometime prior to bed. And just to kind of give you a little bit of data. So I'm going to, prior night sleep, let's just go there. So prior night sleep, I was actually in bed for 6 hours and 13 minutes, which is pretty good for me. Total sleep time was 5 hours and 17 minutes, so about an hour less than I was in bed. Sleep efficiency, 85. Resting heart rate, 48. And then my REM sleep was 37 minutes. My deep sleep was 43 minutes, and my light sleep was 3 hours and 57 minutes. So most of my time definitely being in light sleep. So I'm going to, I'm going to have 1 serving of this CBD oil, and we'll see what happens. I'll finish this vlog tomorrow, after I have some news to report to. So let's see here. Like a child's safety lock on this thing or something. There it goes. All right, there we go. We got 1 ml of Blueberry OG, whatever that means. All right. So that was about 30 seconds, I think. So yeah, not too bad actually. I was reading up on this, and this terpenes, I don't really know exactly what that means. It says that it's naturally occurring in all plants or whatever, and it's basically bound to the CBD oil, and it's Blueberry OG. I don't know if that's like the strain of cannabis. I honestly have no idea about any of this stuff, y'all. Cannabinoids, cannabis, THC, CBD, ABC, you got me. But we're going to try that tonight. We'll see what happens, and I will let you know tomorrow morning if I sleep any better than I did the prior night. So we'll go from there. See you tomorrow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is the next morning. I've got the morning here to prove it. Let me open up my Aura Ring app and we'll see what happened with the updating sleep data. So readiness was 76 today. Time in bed 6 hours and 41 minutes. Total time of sleep 5 hours and 58 minutes. Sleep efficiency 89. Resting heart rate 46. REM sleep 35, so about the same on the REM sleep, but deep sleep 1 hour and 30 minutes. So that's pretty interesting. I got like an hour more deep sleep. So yeah, I don't know if y'all can see this on the phone there. That's kind of what we're looking like there. So it's interesting that the deep sleep went up, the REM sleep stayed about the same. I've tracked my sleep as well these past few nights after having like a glass of wine. I didn't have any wine last night, but I did a couple nights where I had a glass of wine and would track my sleep then, and I seemed to notice pretty similar effect. My REM sleep didn't really change that much, or maybe even went down a little bit, and my deep sleep increased. So I don't know, maybe wine and CBD have a similar effect on me as far as the deep sleep is concerned. But again, this is just one night, so I'll keep tracking this. I'll keep playing around with it. I'll keep tweaking it. I'll play around with the timing of having the CBD prior to bed. So I'll let y'all know anything that I find out along the way, and we'll see you tomorrow. So take care. Have a great day.